Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? Hi. So I'm back from my vacation. Long overdue, well rested, well needed. So someone sent me a best of Jamaican TikTok compilations. This is part 1. It's like 20 minutes, so I'm curious to see what it's going to be. So let me watch my people give us their comedic jokes.
A large pepperoni and a 2-liter Pepsi.
That complete the order?
Yes.
Is this for delivery or pickup?
Delivery.
Okay, address?
30 North Lake Avenue.
Okay, you're like 2 minutes away.
Yes.
So why you wanna come pick it up?
Excuse me?
Mister, so why you wanna come pick it up?
I'd rather have it delivered.
Well, you know what, me rather, you come pick it up.
But I'm paying for the service.
Sir, me not care what you pay for.
Yeah, but I'm
Jesus Christ. Sir, you want the pizza? Yes or no?
Yes.
So come pick up.
He's being dramatic. The dramatics is too much.
I'm paying for the
Sir, this location is officially closed forever. No call back.
I'm not doing that about football. Marcus, you don't know nothing about football. Nothing. We know about football. Hello, beautiful. You're a real Caribbean woman, you know. You have it. So you go on for my mom, I just tell her so you look good and you're hot. Mom from you, sir. Your belly big like you swallow your pride, you know, so that. Me can bet so me can write my number for your foot. You're an idiot. Your lip dry, you know, see my best I eat steak.
Steak with chicken?
What the matter? I know me get your attention. Move from here, man.
Oh, that's a box food for real.
Raise your hand before you talk to me. Out of order. You ask no. Brother, you're not getting no more food, man. Oh God, man, you see food done.
That's exactly like.
Andre! Watch your biggie that boy play like doodoo. Shut up, me call back 1 minute. That boy make me earn you, kill me. Oi, sir, Andre, look at me. Oi, sir, you don't have sense. Okay. So Andre, let me ask you this. You don't love your mother, Andre? Look at me. Okay, biggie that boy. So tell me this now. What make you play up that shit? Come on. Me see you going to kill you, boy, you don't know. Andre, if I pump in your belly, you shit to your ears. Watch him shit in your ears. Oh God, him love play up in night. You come in just like your father. Can you love it like grocery? I should have swallowed you one time. Me and him there play around pandai. Look dirty stinking vermin, dirty boy.
Oh no! That sounds like Andre the Thief. When you see the thief, yell thief. Okay, great. Now, what can I use to knock out the thief? Can I use a stone to knock out the thief? A stick to knock out the thief? Or my bare hands? Say it with me. Stone, stick, bare hands. A stick? Vámonos! Now, do you see a stick?
I think I see him before. He's so hot.
Is this the stick? Is this the stick? Very good! Let's go! Oh man!
I think you need to say exactly.
Oh, I remember this one.
Me give you bun. You decide say, you go bun me back. So what happened? Yeah, and I got into an entanglement with Kaki. And that me say. An entanglement? Yes.
Not with August I'll see now.
You're a real container bitch. Yes, him suck me like mango pit. What you mean? But you said my cocky long. And it strong. Me give you bun first. But me feel like you're heartless and you're a whore. Listen, I just wanted to feel hood. It's been so long since I felt hood. Yeah, man, you're evil.
Scalus in Paris.
Man, I don't know why my neighbors hate me so much. Every single day, I say good morning. I make sure they're doing well. But they just give me the most disgusted look ever. I don't get it.
Bitch! I will shoot that car.
Remember Remember, this is an exam. Please put away the phones.
Read each questions carefully. No, me have this.
CSAC, CSAC, and
Orange,
CAPE.
a fruit or a color. Wait there. No, basically the same thing. You see, a foolishness, you know. I'll just go with A, man. Hold on there. Why 17 to 22 are just D? Yo, CXC love do that foolishness, you know. And we'll change to answer them. Alright. Put UC and UA.
Students!
Blood linen.
Remember, read the question carefully and answer with the most suitablest answer.
Oh, they twins.
No, whole exam know me.
Is that his twin brother? That was okay. Jamaicans, I don't understand the point of that joke, but okay. Got it when he was making 2020. Prince!
Shan. What happened to Shan?
She dead.
What? How you know that?
Me text her about an hour ago and she no text back.
Susan, that don't mean she dead.
No, she better blood clot dead. Me can't text her an hour ago and you no respond. If she not dead, me go kill her blood clot.
I love Prince.
No, she this just posted on Instagram 5 minutes ago.
What? Let me see that. What are the blood clot this? No, I'm calling girl. Hello? No blood clots. Hello, me stinking dirty blood clot cranny body girl. Me text you about your post on Instagram. Remember who introduced you to Instagram, yeah? Remember who show you how to open my DMs, Remember who show you how to add filter to your dirty ugly picture, them? Remember who post you on Instagram and give you a shout out so you can get your followers? Bye, come off on my phone. That brights.
Nitro!
Yo, welcome, brother.
Yo! Dog, you're not thirsty?
Brother, you see a beer water me a drink for morning.
Dog, watch out.
Oh, he really do. He put on a production with his stuff.
Watch out. Off, I'm a fire that in a nitro. We're doomed. We're doomed, brother. Yo, Mike, beg us some water, my youth.
Yo,
Maita, what is my youth?
That come out of the pipe.
We're doomed. We're doomed.
That was okay. Oh, he's back again. That's so true.
Girl, relax now.
Oh, Quiet Perry.
Hurry up now. Me know what me I do.
Oh, I remember that video when she was, I think she was perm her hair, her whole hair fall out.
What that? Nothing, girl. Just all this. It a burn me, man. Hurry up now, girl. Jesus. I wanna know how. Just one lamp on this too. What you doing on my head? Me I give you one style. What the style name? Alopecia.
Yo, I'ma get my charger. How much your phone there?
That is so true. They be asking me, oh, what percent your phone's on? No, give me my charger.
How much your phone there? Make me get my charger. How much your phone? Give me charger. See that?
I'm laughing because I seen something like this happen last time I visit back home when the person asked for the charger and the person's like, how much percent your phone's on? And the bitch got their ass beat up just to get Let me go back to the video. I like his videos. Nitro Immortal.
What kind of idiot?
Oh, Jesus.
You're right. Alright, so we're gonna have to bring you into surgery.
Surgery? For what? What me I do surgery?
I'm over his
Me
not care if it's woman Tory.
Yeah, but you have a fractured
Me nah do no surgery, sir.
Yeah, but it's broken in 5 years.
I'm gonna go check my email because he be doing too much.
Let me off.
Yeah, but
Me nah do.
Yeah, but
No.
yeah,
Surgery. Me will put warm water. What me say? Me will put warm water on it.
Yeah, but
Warm water.
that's not gonna help. That's what I'm trying.
Me nah do no surgery.
No, me just take like 2 minutes and just revise. Me just revise through my book. Yeah, me a fall upon the road. Me a fall.
I've always said this over and over. There's a lot of talent in Jamaica. There's a lot of talent. Some of them don't have the opportunity.
So approximate.
Okay. That's exactly how they be doing. Like they be throwing the food at you.
Say if I can set the time on the phone for me, come.
He's staying giving productions. Love it. Love it. No, go call the friend now that you're a technician. You know how to do phones and stuff.
Sister Dadet, if phone where it have up there, it one with the half ice cream blanco, you still have you up there? Yeah man, can't come nigga tomorrow man, cause all along me know say my son there I could have fixed phone. What? I'm a technician, he know everything about it. Yeah man, he set the time for me. Yeah man, just bring it up tomorrow man, where you say man? Alright, stay blessed you know, and yeah.
One thing about Jamaican child, you know to do one thing, they will get you some customers.
Me know what I said, get it bad bunny. I want no shop for you, I want shop me up.
A long time I tell you for do your ear. Everybody was a talk.
Prince. Love me some Prince.
Embarrassed, me tired. I gotta find a new.
Oh.
But tell us if stop bother me. Look what you make me do. Look what you make me do. Prince, wake up. Prince, wake up now. You tell us to stop going like you're a big man cause you get your ass knocked out. Look on this now. Come on. Damn big head. Chuck, can't bother. Yeah man, that's why you get knocked the fuck out! That's funny. Let's stop laughing. Laugh now. It's funny again.
He's such a attractive young man.
Son, I got a lie detector test. If you tell a lie, it's gonna make a beep sound. So you need to tell me where you went last night.
My friends said they wanted to go to Bible studies, so we went to Bible studies.
Beep. We really gonna do this?
Okay, Daddy, I went over my girlfriend's house and we had sex. Do you want to hear that?
Son, I give a list.
For real?
Son, I give a list. Hold it.
You know.
Yeah, really, father, you him get it from?
Beep.
Blood linen.
Yeah, really, father, you him get it from? Beep.
I think it would be kind of funny if he didn't drag it out.
Yo, I'll get my charger.
Did we see this one already?
What an ugly man you call me for. Hello? Yo.
This is another funny one.
Sorry, too poor for you ask me my location. So what you do? Me take care of my baby wa. Come over now. Ugly man, me cannot come. Rain a fall outside. So what? I buy your food, you know. What you say? I say I buy your food.
Look how long we're all at the door, man.
Sorry, I only heard one.
People don't have time for
I can't with him. I can't.
They want to put this thing.
Press it over there.
I can't. I'm not. I don't feel like to do all this shouting.
The job is done here.
This way post on Instagram, me don't love the picture you all. Me don't love the dress. But the shoes. Me don't love the shoes at all, girl. Me at all? Yeah, this. Me don't love it at all. I can't me at all. You can't dress. You a thief and borrow people clothes. You wanna have no good clothes in your closet. I can't me at all, but can't dress. You chat too much. That's why your mother dead. And your sister have cancer. And your father run off left you. And your cousin them hate you. You don't even have no friend. Me are your only friend. And you're lucky you even make it. I'm sorry for you. Cause your mouth stink. And your arm green. Your body want knock into the shape good. You don't even have no uncle with your all week them. Eat your big toe. Come and talk about me can't dress. Right.
Is he wearing his shirt backwards? He's another good. Oh my god. Oh.
You see this perfume, yeah?
Yeah, I
It's
see
cologne.
Versace.
Every time I wear it, my mother says it's very strong. I'm putting too much on me, you know?
Yeah, and
So
what?
to fix that problem, you know what I do?
Oh my God, tell me.
I take this, yeah,
Yeah.
and I give it a lighter spray.
Oh my God, don't leave me. Take me with you. You're running too fast. Don't.
Hey,
Okay.
last card. When you talk about it, me and me bomb class here. I bet you must sit in here for you. I bet you eat this Easter month to put it card. I bet you all you people don't eat your bomb class.
Oi, where you do? Just take a look at piece, man. Back up off of my blood clot cheeks. Pull up back my baggy and roll the fuck back over there, so. You a rapist? Eh? You a rapist? Call the rascal police. Never seen something in my life. Because
That was good though.
Brother, you never fire no flare. It's not your job, man. Don't go feed my... Brother! Here. Alright, so far so good. Me no see nobody. Catch it! You're the youth and the list, you know. Bombok! Now, what that? The level of disrespect! No, it's like me and you bend over for that ear drop the stars. Number 2, go for that ear drop there. Yo, kill the sprat in the grass.
How are you doing today, Jasmine? But you did this for what? Why not? Why? Why not? Why though?
Okay, I'm just kind of get a little bit bored now.
What is Jamaica's national flower?
Dumpling!
She don't got no sense head for business.
Jesus, boy, if it's that.
Okay, hold on.
Link no party. Link no party.
Alright. Then they're not town holy. What is national flower?
Counter flower, man.
Hi. Want a pound of counter flour?
National flower.
Yeah, I'm not alone you need, you know. When you can go outside and pick.
Doming bird. Doming bird.
What's the national flower?
Flower. Oh, Aki.
You can spell library for me?
Libeary.
Spell it again.
Libeary.
What? L, man. L-I-B... I-R-Y.
Just take it easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, you sa fiend. How na mga stuff?
What the? So I want to say thanks to the one who recommended me to react to the best of Jamaican TikTok compilation #1. I did have my laugh here and there, but overall as a whole, it was okay. Not all the TikTokers on there were kind of funny. Were not my cup of tea of humor, but Immortal dude, the one with the production, I think he's funny. Quiet Perry's funny. Prince is funny. Gallus does have some good things. Everybody else, it was hit or miss, but thanks for that. It's always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. It's always, who can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.